Hello and welcome to Module 4. I hope your week has started off well, or if you're watching on a Sunday and you're a little ahead of the game, good for you. I thought I would record this brief video for this week's Module 4 content. So in this course, we focus a lot on gifted characteristics and how giftedness is identified. But we can only talk about it for so long without thinking about the kinds of learning environments that help the gifted students shine, right? To help that giftedness come through. So as a natural step after we talk about intelligence is to look at the kinds of classroom supports that will allow students to really show what they're capable of. So as you go through Model 4 resources, the chapter resources may seem a little varied, but I'd like for you to think about them as three key pillars: curriculum supports, social emotional supports, and finally, working with the families. So together, those pillars will create the kinds of spaces where gifted learners can thrive, so even before they're formally identified. So this unit is really about giving those potentially gifted students the opportunities to shine, whatever the stage is in the identification process. And this knowledge will help us build portfolios that will reflect both their strengths and their needs, but most importantly, their strengths and to show the need for gifted services. So as much as the word portfolio is used in gifted education, the amount of guidance for portfolio creation is not as plentiful as you might think, and the information from your district may vary. So this is why I dedicated some space in the module to portfolios, right? Building portfolios and even reaching out to parents and collaborate on those portfolios, as well as ideally collaborating with the students to create an effective portfolio. So just one word of caution before you go straight into the module is, before you discuss the purpose of the portfolio with the student, you may want to check with the parent just to see what kind of terminology they're using with their child regarding this gifted identification. Did they talk about giftedness and that the child is being evaluated for gifted? Or are they at the moment talking about, you will work with your teacher and do some assessments to see how your brain works or to see your strengths and needs. So this may affect how you discuss the portfolio with the student. In any case, emphasize building a portfolio as a learning opportunity for the student, as well as for you as the teacher. And I hope you enjoy the module. Bye.